here is I need to write a paper for class. And I'm going to use my actors to act out what I'm writing. So I will first need a name of a story or a paper prompt. What am I writing about?
The wind blows yellow.
The baby that
I never knew.
Why are my teeth so green?
Why are my teeth so green? Why are my teeth so green?
Right.
Well, I knew I should have thought about dentistry school before I applied. So now I have to explain in my application letter why my teeth are green. All right, why my teeth are green. Please let me into your college. Subtitle. Chapter 1. Kindergarten. I was really young when I first learned about the toothbrush. I was so nervous when I was at the dentist that I walked with a slight limp. The dentist first introduced me to the toothbrush by saying something very crude.
You know, when I first used one of these, I didn't stick it in my mouth. That's where you've got to put it.
Being a 6-year-old, I didn't know what to say, so I just said, "Thank you, sir."
Thank you, sir.
No problem. I need you to lean back for me. I need a... Yeah. Perfect.
He opened my mouth, and then he saw. He saw my condition. And yelled a line of rhyme.
Oh my goodness gracious me. That is a giant cavity. We're going to have to get that out right away.
At this point, I ran off running. That was the end of my first dentist appointment.
That's fine, I still got your money.
Chapter 2, 6th grade. I was in 6th grade one day with me and my friend Cassie. Cassie was such a funny little gal, and she always made the funniest jokes. For example,
Hey, knock knock. Who's there? Your mom? You don't know your mom's last name?
I thought it was the funniest joke I had ever heard in my life. At this point, the principal came into the classroom and said, "Listen here, Pipsqueak. I hear we got green teeth in here, yo."
Listen here, Pipsqueak. I hear we have green teeth in here, yo.
He didn't have such a high voice. He talked more like really deep and sexual.
This is you. I heard we got green teeth in here. No.
It's Brittany! I don't have green teeth! Take her! I'm sorry, I'm going to tell you a secret.
End of chapter. Chapter 3, the principal's office. There I was sitting there, the principal, his secretary, and me. His secretary always said funny words out of nowhere. For example... No, that wasn't it. It was peanut butter. It was peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
At this point in time, the principal told me I had to leave school.
You are banished forever from the realms of education. May ye never walk these halls again.
Can you repeat the last?
Foul-mouthed harlots.
I immediately called my mother, who showed up on the spot.
Mom, can you come here? Just come. Mom, I know you're there.
Excuse me. You need a visitor's pass. Can you fill out this form?
Yes. This is the 5th time.
I started to explain why my teeth were green to the principal.
They're green. I was eating this sucker. I was just eating this sucker that my mom gave me.
That's not true. I told her to finish all of her vegetables before she could eat the 13
My
suckers.
green vegetables.
Well, yeah, green vegetables are very healthy. Your digestive system.
Hold on a minute here. Open your mouth for us, please.
Now, why is that necessary?
Because I suspect these teeth are hereditary.
Because she had dentures.
Touche.
Chapter 4, the grocery store. store. I was just checking out at the grocery store one day, buying my strawberry jam, when the man who was checking me out gave me the dirtiest look ever.
Are you serious?
I knew it was because of my teeth. I suddenly sprouted off and was the most mad I'd ever been about my teeth to anyone in public. I yelled, "You stupid asshole! Why are you doing this to me? Just give me my strawberry jam and let me go."
You stupid asshole! Why are you doing this to me? Just give me my strawberry jam and let me go! I'm so mad right now, madder than I've ever been!
He gave me the thumbs up. You may be wondering why I am telling you these short stories. It just represents how hard my life has been with green teeth and how much I want to change that in other people. Please let me into your college. Thank you.